Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel, your channel as well. So in today's video I'm going to be taking through a process. Okay, so here is guinea corn and corn. Okay, normally I used to mix millet. I used to add millet, but this time around I didn't put millet. Yes, so this I brought it from the village. Okay, I brought it from the village. Yeah, so I still have some at home. So this one now I soak it um 48 hours. For 48 hours. Okay, I soak it for 48 hours and I wash it till the water is neat. Okay, so right now I'm going to be taking it to where I'll be grinding it, which I'm going to take you along with me, and even through I'll take you through the process of how I'll filter it and how we make it to take. So it's one of my traditional food here in Africa, Nigeria precisely. So are you ready? Let me take you to where I'll be grinding it. Okay,
I'll follow you too. I'll follow you too. I'll follow you.
so I'm done grinding. I'm going back home now. I came along with my son. Okay, so let's go back yesterday to filter it. It was already night. Okay, it was already night, so that's why I couldn't show you how I filter it. But this is the filter that I use. You can see it, and this is the handle. I tie the two hand like this so I can be able to pull handle. So the Akamu that I blended, I mix it with water so it can filter out, so it can come out. Okay, and then this is the shaft. Okay, so I'm going to be drying the shaft outside to dry. I normally used to dry it and package it for my mom. I used to weigh it to her to the village. Yes, to feed the cattle at home. Yes. So and then see, okay, after I filter it, it filled up this big this 75 liters, and this blue bucket. Okay, so it all filled up. So but as the water settled, I turn out the water. Yes, and even this morning. So right now you can see the water that is up. I'm going to pour out the water that is up. Then I'll use pillowcase to drain the water. I'll turn everything inside. Let me take you through the process for you to see. So let me dry the shaft outside first. Let me explain. I first recorded the video, but I lost it because of lower storage. But let me show you how I arrive at this process. Okay, so here is a pillowcase. Okay, pillowcase. Okay, I turn that very one that is inside the green bucket inside. Okay, and then I tie it. After tying it, then you put heavy something on top to drain the water. Okay, to drain the water. This pillowcase is mainly for this very purpose. This is mainly for this purpose. So after draining the water, like for about 6 to 8 hours, okay, so it came out like this. So like this, you can, if you don't want it to be wet like this, you can scatter it. Okay, can scatter it and sun dry it to come out in powder form, just like the way the refined custards comes out like powder form. Yes. So but mine, I want to refrigerate it, so I've already packaged it. Inside containers like this to refrigerate. Then this very one, I'll tie it in nylon just like the way I tied this very one. Yes. So in the process of making it, you have to boil your water, mix this one into paste. Boil your water, let the water boil to the boiling point. So once the water boils to the boiling point, then you turn the hot water inside the paste. Okay, make sure you are pouring the water gradually so that it will not become watery. So you can make it to your desired thickness. So you can add sugar for those that like using sugar, but as for me, this is sweetener that I normally use date syrup. So I use this syrup for this. It's called pap Akamu. So it's a common traditional food in Nigeria, especially West Africa. Pap. Okay, so you can take it with mama, with akara, with beans, porridge, yes. So and you're good to go. Yes, very good for breakfast. Yes. So don't forget to give this video a like. Okay, let me feel what you think about this particular food process from the comment section. So see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. One love, everyone.